Hi, welcome to LUMS. I'm Julie. I'm going to show you how to change a battery in my key fob.
So this is the Torta key fob that has a dead battery. So the first thing you want to do is, if you can see that little push sign right there, it's actually a button. You want to push on that button right there and this will slide out. Now this is an extra key to unlock your door if you need it. But you take this extra key, and if you can see right there, there's a little slit right there. And this is what I use to open. This is what you use to open up the key fob. So you want to put that in there, and you just want to twist it just a little bit, and this will open up. And as you can see, there is a battery right here. This is what we're going to replace. It's a 2032. It's a battery you can get at any variety store or grocery store. And you want to take that and you want to pop that battery out. When you get your new battery, you want to make sure though that there's two little notches right there. These are plastic notches. You want to make sure your battery goes in underneath those little notches. That snaps right in, and you put that back in as you saw it, and just snap that in, and that's complete. And you can just put that in